Hello, in this first lesson on the basics of using Office 365, we'll be using a Word document to review how to adjust text. You can adjust text by first clicking on the page. Now when you see the blinking line, you can type your text. Now if you'd like to write before your text, you can click before it and insert words before. Now the fun part, to change your text, you can click on your text 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now to change just one word, you can click twice, and that'll change or adjust just that word. To adjust all of the words, you click 3 times. You can adjust the font here. You'll see there's many fonts available to you. You can adjust the sizing here. You'll see that the sizing changes as you go up and down the toolbar. You can also change the size with these increase and decrease font size buttons here. You'll see here's bold. Now this text is already in bold, so that doesn't do much, but I'll show you in Times Roman to show you the effects of bold. To undo bold, you'll click it again. It's no longer highlighted. You'll see that my toolbar went away, so I can either adjust here, or I can right click and it'll reappear. Here's italic and underline. Here you have the highlight tool. This is great for when you want to refer back to something in your text, or you want someone else to pay special attention to it. To remove highlight, you can press no color. And to highlight only a section, you can highlight just that section. To make those particular words more important than the others. Now I'm going to triple click again. 1, 2, 3. I can adjust my font color here. You'll see that the font changes colors as I go hover over the colors, helping me decide which one I like best. Here you see the bullet points in dots and numbering. So let's say this is a list. I can create a list by pressing enter. I can either click up here the type of bullet points I'd like, and here would be my text. So I can make this, I can highlight all of it and create a grocery list. Press space, press your bullet points, and as you'd like to add more, all I'll do is press enter after each word. And those are the basics of using font and text.